Hello students, let us see interconversion of states of matter part 2. So in our last lecture we were studying about interconversion of states of matter, that is a matter can change from one state to another, and for that it needs some change in temperature or pressure, and we have already seen melting. Now let us see other processes, and before that let us recall what is latent heat. Latent heat is the amount of heat absorbed or released by a substance undergoing a change of state. For example, if ice is changing to water, the heat is absorbed, or water is changing to steam, water is absorbed, plus H. But in vice versa case, if steam is changing to water or water is changing to ice, then minus H, that is heat is released. Okay, so this hidden heat is the latent heat. Now let us see boiling or vaporization. It's a change in a substance from a liquid to gaseous state at boiling point. And what is boiling point? Boiling point is a temperature at which liquid completely changes to gaseous state, and this is done on heating, that is heat is absorbed here. For example, boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. And the latent heat of vaporization is the amount of heat which is required to convert 1 unit mass of substance. 1 unit mass of substance from liquid to vapor. For example, if you want to convert 1 unit mass of water into steam, then how much heat would be required? 22.6 into 10 to the power 5 joules per kg of water. And we have seen that the change of state from liquid to gas on the molecular structure. If we are going to heat any liquid, this is liquid, if we are going to heat it, the particles will gain energy and they will start vibrating, and their kinetic energy will increase, and due to this energy their intermolecular spaces will also increase and the molecular force will decrease, and this is how the particles will move further apart and the liquid will get converted into gas. Now what is freezing? Freezing is a change from liquid to solid on cooling. Here cooling is required, so minus H, that is heat is not absorbed but released. Freezing point is that temperature at which liquid state changes to solid on cooling, and here the kinetic energy of the molecules decreases and their vibration also reduces, and the intermolecular space decreases but the intermolecular force increases, so they come together in a compact form and become solid. Now there is one more conversion, which is sublimation. This sublimation occurs when a solid directly changes to gaseous state on heating, or gaseous state changes to vapors the gaseous state, the vapors changes back to solid on cooling. So solid to gas or gas to solid conversion is sublimation, and sublime is that gaseous state which is formed due to sublimation, and sublimate is that solid that is undergoing sublimation. For example, naphthalene balls, if they are kept, after some time they will disappear. That means the solid naphthalene balls are directly converting into gaseous state without converting into liquid. In the same way, iodine, ammonium chloride also undergo sublimation.